Your AC isn't mainly fighting outside heat. It's fighting your roof.
Because roofs turn sunlight into heat and dump it straight into your ceiling.
And that heat keeps entering your house all day long. Your AC is just removing heat faster than it's entering.
That's why it runs non-stop in summer.
But there's a simpler way to stop heat before it starts.
A $2 powder can reflect sunlight instead of absorbing it.
Centuries before air conditioning, Mediterranean homes stayed cool with one brilliant idea: outperform. Why this? They stayed cool without machines for thousands of years.
Modern science confirmed the same effect in labs.
White reflective surfaces can slash roof temperatures by reflecting heat away instead of trapping it.
Less roof heat means less AC work instantly. White paint reflects about 80% of sunlight. But special lime powder reflects up to 98%.
That difference is massive in real heat load.
One roof absorbs heat, the other almost rejects it.
Even NASA-level physics supports this cooling effect. Heat can be dumped into the cold of space itself.
That's more powerful than dumping heat into outdoor air.
Your AC dumps heat into 95 degrees Fahrenheit air.
The reflective surfaces dump it into space.
That's why it cools without electricity. Even a small roof coating can cut AC load massively. But walls still absorb heat too. That's called the thermal mass effect. And it keeps heating your home even at night. That's why entire towns used to be painted white. Not just the roofs. Every wall reflected the sun.
Because real heat control isn't one trick. It's a complete system. And surprisingly, it can begin with something incredibly cheap.
Just lime and water can create a highly reflective coating. Applied in layers, it completely changes how a roof handles heat. In some homes, attic temperatures dropped by nearly 40 degrees. That means your air conditioner has far less work to do. And lower energy use means lower bills all summer long.
Because the best way to remove heat is to stop it from entering at all. That was the hidden genius behind ancient cooling design.
They weren't fighting heat with machines. They were controlling sunlight itself. And once you recognize that pattern, you start seeing it everywhere. Because in the end, your roof determines how hard your home has to fight the sun.